Next question. How much should people who are disabled give?
People who are disabled, how much they should give? So we say that person, for example, I know some disabled people, and wherever they have pensions, and this pension, it's not enough. It's not enough for anything, basically. So they always live like they borrow this and that. So the people like that not allowed to give. Forget about how much they give. They're not allowed to give. You understand? So if you're going to give and then it's not going to be enough for your co-payment for your the prescription, so you're not allowed to give. Absolutely not. Right? So that's very important. So and some people they trying to be like the hero and not hero. It's a bad word. So they trying to be like a zealous and they trying to do more, even though they're not obligated. So the Torah says in this case it's not allowed. For you, it's not allowed. Everybody is big mitzvah. For you, it's not allowed. For example, there is somebody, so, and I had the argument with some people. They and I know the story that is very very sick, and they must eat, must eat. Otherwise, they Chas v'Shalom can die. So and we had the argument like I have to yell at them. So on Yom Kippur, I say you must eat. Say no, I want to. You're not allowed to fast. So for you, fast is actually the sin. I'm telling you, for you, fast the sin. For all other people, for all other healthy people, if they eat, it's a sin. It's not so easy forgivable sin. You understand? It's chorus and stuff like that. It's a very, very big punishment. But for you, it's a sin not to eat. You understand? So if a person is suffering, so and of course I understood that it can come from a good source, that a person wants to be close to HaShem. I want my sins to be forgiven. But I said this to several people in my life. So I said you must like follow what I said, what I say, and it's going to be like counted for you as the biggest fast of your life. Right? Because I knew like this person is life in danger, right? Right. So and same as this poor people. They're not allowed to give, right? They give, and then they don't have enough, and then they get eviction notice or something. So who needs that? Understand? So if they can spare it, so they have good pension, they have 401k, this K, that K, so they can even though they're disabled, they have money, no problem. But if not, if as I said, I know several people they hardly survive. Not allowed. I told them not allowed. Okay. Or allowed just to feel good, but not 10%. Forget 10%. Whatever 1%, whatever they can spare, just for them to feel better. Right? Okay. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.